so that you'll have a long and happy life. Number 1, sabi ng Tibetan proverb, eat half. Hatiin mo yung kinakain mo. Number 2, walk double. Galaw-galaw, walk. Number 3, laugh triple. Tawa 3 times more, laugh. And number 4, love without measure. Makes sense. Paano po yun? Eat half, walk double, laugh triple, and love without measure. Good. Huwag mong i-rumble, ha? Eat without measure. Love double. Teka muna, stick to the proverb, okay?